you ever wished your countertop oven could cook two totally different foods at the same time and actually get both of them right, this is one of the few appliances that can actually pull it off. This is the Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone 360 air fryer oven combo, and it brings some pretty unique features that set it apart from other French door ovens on the market. First, let's talk about what comes in the box. You get the dual zone divider, a pizza stone, 2 air fry baskets, 2 sheet pans, a crumb tray, racks, a rotisserie spit for a whole chicken, and forks for larger cuts of meat. It's one of the more generous accessory packages I've seen, enough to jump straight into baking, roasting, toasting, broiling, air frying, and of course, using the dual zone mode. Just keep in mind that not every accessory is dishwasher safe. The manual recommends hand washing several items, especially the pizza stone, pans, and some of the racks. So that's something to note before cleaning. Now, for real world testing, starting with the pizza stone, the instructions recommend preheating the stone and lightly seasoning it with a small amount of oil. So I set it to the dedicated pizza mode, which targets 450 degrees. This is also a great way to burn off any lingering manufacturing residues, since the manual doesn't specifically tell you to run the oven empty before use, but I always recommend doing so with any new appliance. Now here's where I noticed something important. The preheat time, it took 13 minutes to preheat. That's much longer compared to some ovens that reach temperature in under 2 minutes. When the preheat finished, the built-in timer started, but I had already left the pizza inside from the beginning, and honestly, I didn't need the full 15 minutes that DiGiorno recommended because the pizza was already cooking during the preheat phase. So this oven requires a little planning. If you want precision, insert the food after the preheat. If you're okay with adjusting on the fly, you can cook during preheat like I did. Just be mindful that your total cook time will shorten. But once the pizza came out, the crispiness was excellent. The stone absorbed moisture from the pizza crust beautifully, leaving it golden and crisp on the bottom without drying it out. Next, I tested Pop-Tarts using the toast function. At shade level 1, the Pop-Tarts weren't quite as warm or toasted as I preferred, but you can adjust up to shade level 5. It's just a matter of trial and error to find your perfect setting. Shade level 5, in my experience, gets too dark, so I recommend starting low and working your way up. Now, the star feature of this oven, dual zone mode. When you insert the divider, the oven automatically splits into 2 independently controlled compartments. I tested this using 2 slices of bread. On the left side, I set shade level 5, and on the right, I set shade level 1. I let both cook at the same time, and the results clearly reflected the settings. The left slice darkened pretty quickly, and the timing was much more longer than the right side. And the right side is just really light, exactly as you expected. So the insulation in the zones is definitely working and effective and can truly cook 2 different things at once. Now, let's talk design. One thing Emeril got right is the multiple rack positions. On the inside of the French doors, they clearly labeled which rack belongs with which level: toast, pizza, broil, etc. And I love this because I don't have to go hunting through a manual every time I want to switch modes. It's all right there in front of you on the glass. Another clever detail is the independent French doors. Instead of both doors opening together automatically, you can open just one door at a time. This is especially useful in dual zone mode because you can open one side without letting heat escape from the other. It helps maintain temperatures and keeps cooking more consistent from zone to zone. As for the controls, they're generally intuitive, but I do wish the display used words instead of letter number combinations like 1L or 5L for the toast levels or slices. If you're familiar with countertop appliances, you'll figure it out fast, but beginners may find it confusing at first. Overall, the Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone 360 has a lot going for it. The dual zones work exactly as advertised, the accessories offer tons of versatility, and the pizza stone alone adds real value. The biggest area for improvement is the long preheat time, but once you understand how to work around that, the cooking results are solid. If you want a countertop oven that can multitask, handle different foods at the same time, and comes loaded with accessories, this is a great option to consider. Hope you found this helpful, and have a great one.